Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. We are back again. Yes, we have been away for a little while. It's just been very busy internally with the business. For example, in March, we had an absolutely fantastic month where we sold over 200 cars. So we've been very, very busy internally, hence the lack of videos. But thanks ever so much for tuning in once again. Today we're back again with another transformation on this absolutely stunning BMW 4 Series in a very unique colour indeed. So as you can see, it's not just a standard colour that BMW offer. This is one of their colours from the individual range. It is called Champagne Quartz. So it really does look fantastic in its original form. So in regards to what we're going to be changing on this car, towards the front section we will be applying a front splitter that will just run underneath the front section of the car in gloss black kidney grills. And then towards the side profile of the car, we'll be changing the alloys from 19-inch to the 20-inch 763 style, which are in gloss black to complement the gloss black styling items and other intricate details that are already on the car, along with gloss black side skirts. And also towards the rear, we're going to be applying a gloss black rear diffuser. So this will all be to come. We're going to get the car pulled into the workshop now, where my colleague Jake's going to be working on the car for you guys, and we'll be taking you through the process of what's going on. And my colleague Luke will explain, once we get into the workshop, exactly what we're going to be doing. So without further ado, let's get the car pulled in and let's get the car prepped.
Hi guys, we've got a 430D in the workshop at the moment. I'm going to be handing you over to Jake in just a second. I'm just going to talk you through what's going to be going on in the workshop. So first of all, we have right in front of you here, which is a front splitter. That's just going to be basically taped and then riveted as well. You've also got M-style kidney grills here, which we're going to be replacing from these ones. We have side skirt extensions, which will also be riveted as well. And then with a rear diffuser at the back. We'll also have the factory bolts, so 8 mils here, 10 mils I believe, or T25s. But then we're also going to be fitting brand new 20-inch alloys with brand new tyres, and yeah, it should make the car complete. But yeah, I'll pass you over to Jake and well, yeah, we'll get the car prepped for you.
Okay guys, there we have it, a completely transformed B&W 430D, finished off in B&W's individual champagne quartz. Let us know your thoughts below as to what you think to this transformation. Let us know what you think to the colour and the combination that we've applied. So just to run over the options and the styling items that we've applied to the car. So to the front section, we've applied the gloss black front splitter and we've changed the gloss black kidney grills to the M-style twin slat kidney grills. Towards the side profile, we've got the 20-inch alloys in the black 763 style. We've applied the gloss black side skirts, and then towards the rear of the car, we've also applied a rear diffuser. So as mentioned, do comment your thoughts below as to what you think to this transformation. I personally think it's a really unique colour, and with the options that we've applied, it now just makes the colour even better, and it all just works together really, really nicely. But guys, thank you ever so much for tuning back in with us again. Sorry we went away for a couple of months, but we are back again, so we've plenty more content coming. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified when we make a new upload. Drop your thoughts, your comments below as to what you think, and if you did like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. But thanks so much for watching guys, we look forward to seeing you in the next video.